Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be unboxing and reviewing Blanquil weighted blanket. So let's start with unboxing. The one I got is 20 pounds. I was debating between 15 pounds and 20 pounds and I went with 20 because when you think about 20 pounds it doesn't seem that much, but now when I have this blanket it is really heavy. I know it's weighted blanket, but I was not expecting it to be this heavy. This velvety cover is made from polyester and inside blanket is made from 100% cotton. The blanket has 8 pockets filled with tiny glass microbeads that make up weighted portion of the blanket. These beads are made from eco-friendly natural material rather than plastic. 48 inches wide and 74 inches long, twin size, enough for just one person. Cover is really soft and removable so you can easily wash it. Now let's talk about different benefits of weighted blanket. These weighted blankets are often suggested in mental health communities, particularly for people with anxiety, autism, dementia, and insomnia, or for people who have trouble sleeping. There are several studies that shows that sleeping with a weighted blanket helps people feel less anxious. So as of today, I have used this blanket just for one night. So I don't know about the long-term effect or how I will feel about this in the future. I did not feel like a huge difference in my sleep, but I was concerned that it is too heavy and I might have a hard time changing my sides, but that was not the case, which is a good thing. I'm hopeful that I will enjoy using this blanket. Reason being, when I go for massage, they use some kind of a weighted heated blanket, which feels really nice. And I did look up weighted heated blanket, but I did not see anything. It was either weighted blanket or heated one. And since I already have a heated blanket, I went with weighted blanket. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and it was somewhat helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.